Hi, and welcome to this video on how to use the Trust Account to Operating Account Utility tool. So, let's jump right in. You'll want to go to Transactions. So there's a couple of things we want to notice. First, this is where the Trust Account to Operating Account Transfer Utility tool is. You'll notice there's a couple things: previously transferred, untransferred net, pending status, available status, how much has been applied to an invoice total, and the total net available for transfer. Now, a question we often get is, what does it mean to transfer? So let's go over the brief process of how this will work. If we notice right now, we have a $792 available for net transfer. Where did that come from? Well, we have our Haunted Mansion transaction that had a gross amount that we received from the title company for $2640, and then we paid out a check to that agent involved in that transaction for $1848. What does that leave our company with a net of? $792. Now, if we jump in and we look at these specific transactions, we'll notice that the reason we're using this tool is because we're doing everything through our commission trust account. So when we receive payments, it goes into the commission trust account, and then we pay out our payments through the commission trust account. We'll notice that here, commission trust account. So at the end of the day, or the end of the week, or whatever your process may be, we have $792 remaining in that trust account. And we want to transfer that to our operating account so that we have that net available money for our business and for other things we may use that money for. But the trust account is specifically just for our commissions that are coming in and out. So the reason that this tool exists is because by clicking this Apply Transfer button, it will automatically transfer within the accounting system the $792 from the commission trust account to the operating account. Now, this isn't connected to your ACH, so you're going to need to do this, maybe another tab pulled up, and you'll just want to go ahead and do that simultaneously. But once we've done that and we click Apply Transfer, it says, this transfer will move the sum of available net and applied AR from the trust account to the operating account. The transfer will also assign a transfer date to each transaction. Available for transfer, $792. Note, the actual funds will need to be physically deposited into the operating account. That's just saying what I was just explaining. So if we click Apply Transfer, we'll notice, previously transferred now is $792. And we have no available status for ready to transfer. But we do have pending status net and untransferred net. You'll notice here these two transactions obviously have not been completed. We haven't received a check or paid out our check, so this is still a status pending. But that's how much we have pending, and at one time will be in the available status net. So now the question is, what did that do? And I'll show you here by going to Advanced and then going to Journal Entries. And you'll notice that a journal entry was created for a bank transfer of $792. So what did it do? It simply credited the cash, the $792 from our trust account, debited it into our operating account. So this will keep our bank accounts reconciled. It will keep our bank accounts up to date, and that is why this tool is used. Some people have the scenario where they are not using a commission trust account, where perhaps for whatever reason they just don't want to do this method and they say, no, I'm only using in and out of my operating account. If that is the case, you'll want to go to Setup, go to Advanced, go to Bank Accounts, and you're going to want to deactivate the commission trust account, and for that matter, all of the accounts that you aren't using. So if you only have the operating account, go ahead, go in here and set Active to No on every single one of those accounts. So hopefully this video has helped you understand a little more why that tool exists, the transfer of the commission trust to the operating account utility tool. And if you have any other questions, please refer to our accounting manual, or watch our other videos, or contact customer support. Thank you.